Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use the Laundry Buddy custom GPT that you can use to ask about stains, settings, sorting and everything related to laundry. Alright, so if you haven't used custom GPTs before, you have to know that to be able to use custom GPTs, just like the Laundry Buddy custom GPT, you have to have a ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Enterprise subscription. If you have a subscription, all you have to do is either click on your account name, then select My GPTs, or click on the Explore button here. Then all you have to do is scroll down on this page, search for the Made by OpenAI section, and here you will find the Laundry Buddy custom GPT. So if you click on it, you're going to be able to start interact with the Laundry Buddy custom GPT. You can either use these conversational starters, or if you want to learn more about this Laundry Buddy custom GPT, I have a full tutorial on my website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 where I talk about some of the use cases and some of the prompts you can use for this custom GPT. So if you're interested in more details about this custom GPT, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Also, if you want to get access to a free database that contains thousands of custom GPTs, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can search this custom GPT database by category, description, and more. And there's also a database version with 10 use cases and example prompts for these custom GPTs. You can get access to this database for free by clicking the link in the description below. It will open up this page where you will be able to download it. But now let's see how to use the Laundry Buddy custom GPT. So as I mentioned, I have some ready-made prompts you can use as well in the article I have mentioned. So using one of those prompts, I have come up with this specific prompt for the Laundry Buddy custom GPT. So what kind of detergent is best for hard water and silk blues with red wine stains? Alright, so it's a really specific question. I'm not really experienced in laundry, so hopefully we will get a good answer from Laundry Buddy custom GPT. So as you can see, I have clicked on send message, and now we're gonna see what Laundry Buddy will recommend us related to this issue. So this is the response we get. Washing a silk blues with a red wine stain is hard water, can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Here are some helpful do's and don'ts. So we get some do's: choose a detergent for hard water, use a silk safe detergent, treat the stain, consider a water softening additive, don't. So here are some things we shouldn't do: avoid harsh chemicals, don't scrub harshly, don't use hot water, and so on and so forth. So these are really good tips and recommendations. So if you have any issues with laundry, you can use the Laundry Buddy custom GPT, because this is how you can start using it really easy and fast. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to the custom GPT database and other free ChatGPT and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, custom GPTs, ChatGPT plugins and other AI software, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, because we have over 1,000 free tutorials, and also make sure to subscribe because we have more tutorials coming up.